Good day everyone, mabuhay. I'm Franz Nalizaro Angla from Base HM Section 3. Today I explain to you the 4 travel motivators. And the first motivator is physical motivator. Physical motivators. Travel refers to the factors that drive people to travel for rest, relaxation, and bodily well-being. These motivators are primarily linked to physical health, comfort, and the need to escape from stress or daily routines. Examples of physical motivators in travel include rest and relaxation, seeking spa treatment, beach vacation, or wellness resorts. Health and medical reasons, traveling for medical treatments, therapy, or rehabilitation. Sports and adventure, engaging in activity like hiking, skiing, or scuba diving. Climate and environment, choosing destination with a favorable weather condition for physical comfort. And the second is cultural motivators. Cultural motivators in travel refers to the desire to experience and engage with different cultures, tradition, and heritage. These motivators drive people to explore new destinations to gain knowledge, appreciation, and deeper understanding in various cultural aspects. Examples of cultural motivators include historical exploration, visiting ancient ruins, museum, and heritage sites, arts and festival, experiencing music, dance, theater, and local festivals allow travelers to engage with the cultural, artistic expressions. Food and culinary experience. Many travelers are motivated by the opportunity to taste and learn about authentic local cuisine and traditional cooking methods. And the third is interpersonal motivators. Interpersonal motivators for travelers refer to the social reason that drive people to travel, often related to relationship, connection, and shared experience. These motivators emphasize the human aspect of travel and how it enhances personal and social well-being. Key interpersonal motivators include spending time with family and friends. Many people travel to strengthen relationships, create shared memories, and enjoy quality time together. Meeting new people. Some travelers are motivated by the opportunity to make new friends, interact with locals, and connect with fellow travelers. Romantic and relationship building. Travels with a partner or seeking romantic experience in new settings can be a strong motivators. And the last is status and prestige motivators. Status and prestige motivators include luxury and exclusive travel, staying in high-end resorts, flying first class, or visiting private destinations to showcase wealth and exclusivity. Unique and exotic destination, traveling to rare or less accessible location to distinguish oneself from ordinary tourists. Social media influence, sharing travel experience online to gain admiration, validation, and sense of prestige. Bucket list achievement, visiting world-famous landmarks, summiting mountains, or completing global challenge to gain recognition.